Welcome to our SolidWorks 2010 Update course. In the first lesson of this course, we're going to learn how to convert files from previous versions of SolidWorks. If you happen to be familiar with the 2008 and the 2009 releases of SolidWorks, a brief glance at my screen here shows that the graphic interface of SolidWorks 2010 is virtually identical to both the 2008 and 2009 versions. In other words, the SolidWorks 2010 release doesn't have any really major changes from the previous versions. There are a number of enhancements, and we'll be covering those in this course. If you happen to be migrating from SolidWorks 2007 or earlier versions, there are significant changes in this interface for you, so please do review our update courses for both SolidWorks 2008 and SolidWorks 2009. As well, do check out most of our SolidWorks 2009 material. This will get you up to speed. Okay, let me get moving and show you how to convert files from previous versions of SolidWorks. Begin by clicking the Open button. Navigate to the directory where your files are located. Select the file you want to open. A thumbnail will appear if you've got that option checked. Click Open. The first time you open a file, it might take a little bit longer than usual, depending upon the complexity of the file. A callout appears saying older version of file. This file will be converted when saved. Let's go ahead and save the file. Click the Save icon. The Save Modified Document window opens. We can select or unselect the reference files. I'm going to select Save All. Now the file is saved and converted to the SolidWorks 2010 version. As usual, once you've converted the files, you're not able to open them in previous versions of SolidWorks. To convert more than one file, you can use the SolidWorks Task Scheduler. It's located under Start and Programs, right under the SolidWorks tool icon in your Programs menu. I've just dragged in the SolidWorks Task Scheduler window. I'm going to go ahead and click on Convert Files now. From the Convert Files dialog window, we can rename the task title and set the task schedule. We've got the option to add files or folders. Navigate to the desirable location. And under File Type, I'm going to select SolidWorks Part Type Files. Select my files and click Open. And click Finish when you're done. Now refresh. Let's just scroll to the far side of this window so I can better monitor my progress. I show 13 of 20 completed now. Let's continue to refresh. 14. I continue to refresh. And 20 of 20 are done now. And this concludes our lesson about converting files to the SolidWorks 2010 format.